Hey guys, GL Boca here. I watch a lot of videos out there when I got time, and one issue that seems to come up frequently being discussed on a lot of fellas' channels is wearing your equipment. All the equipment, all the time, or however you guys pronounce that, and the fact that a lot of the sport bikers wear all their equipment all the time. A lot of the cruisers don't wear equipment, almost never. And why that is. And I'm not sure that there's a valid reason for why that is. I know it's true. It just is. Part of it may be the different attitudes shared by the different types of riders. Cruisers, I guess I'm in that. I call myself a tourer, you know, I like to tour around on my motorcycle. I think of obviously the sport bikers as another tight family of riders who have a much different approach to their riding, a different riding style obviously, and different needs from their adventures out on the motorcycle. Sport guys obviously get on the bike to push the limits of the pavement, push the limits of their tires, push the limits of their skills. It's an adrenaline thing, obviously. They enjoy that. That's what they're into. Myself, when I get on a bike, those are not things that go through my mind. Those are not goals that I have. Those are not anywhere on my radar. When I get on the bike and go out for a ride, it's much more of a leisure thing. Although we can crank the miles down, and that's a leisure thing in a physical thing at the same time. When you're cranking out 300-400 miles on a Sunday just because you want to get on the bike and go for a ride, it's a workout. It's strenuous, but it's not the same as anticipating or knowing that you're going to push your limits, the limits of your machine, the limits of your skills. The only thing I'm pushing is my ass. And believe me, sometimes my ass is sore at the end of the day. And there is no armor, there's no leather pants, there's no custom seats, there's no equipment. No equipment that will change that outcome as far as my ass goes. As far as the rest of me goes, when I'm out riding in the summertime and it's warm like this, I find my ride, my comfort level to be an important part of my satisfaction on the bike. And to be all suited up and having to go 100 miles an hour to stay cool is not a goal that I have. It's not my riding style. I do push curves, push the limits of my bike slightly, very slightly. And I don't think it's the limits of my bike, it's just it's my own comfort limits that I push once in a while. You know, and if you did go down, I would much rather be wearing my gear. But I'm not looking to go down. I'm not anticipating going down. I'm a much more defensive driver than I guess a sport biker is. I'm probably an offensive driver. So I guess really that's about all I got to say on that. It's obviously personal choice. It's personal riding style. It's personal goals. personal comfort levels. I guess it's just personal. What else can you say? I love watching you guys ride in all your gear. That's cool. It's not me. Well, this is GL Boca out. You guys have a good day.
Social pages say I've got the biggest balls of all. I've got big